Let us see some important properties of inequations to solve the problems. So I'll explain four properties here. Okay, here first one is adding the same number or expression to each side of an inequation does not change the inequality. So if you add any number for inequation, it will not change. So see, for example, 3x plus 4 is greater than 7. So if this is the inequation, by adding any same number on both sides, so each side, left hand side and RHS, right hand side, we should add the same number. So I am adding plus 2. If you take the numbers, so equation does not change. Now 3x plus 4 greater than 7. So just add some same number. So I am adding plus 2 and plus 2 both sides. So 2 I added both sides. Then it becomes 3x plus 6 greater than 7 plus 2 is 9. So value of the inequation does not change. So these both are the same solution we get. So you can see one more. For example, 5 is greater than 3, right? We know this. Now just add one number both sides. So I'm adding plus 4 and plus 4 both sides. Then 5 plus 4 is 9 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So 9 is greater than 7. So this inequation does not change. That's why adding the same number or expression to the each side of the inequation does not change the inequality. That is one. Now next one, similarly, if you see the second property here, subtracting the same number or expression to each side of an inequation does not change the inequality. So let me take 2x is greater than 4. Okay, this is the inequation. Now subtracting the same number both sides. So I am subtracting. Okay, just subtract 3 both sides. That means minus 3 and minus 3. So this becomes 2x minus 3 same greater than 4 minus 3. So this greater than value never change. It will be same as it is. That's why 2x minus 3 is greater than 4 minus 3 is 1. So 2x minus 3 is greater than 1, then 2x is greater than 4. This both the values solutions will get the same. So solutions set will not be different. It will be same in case by subtracting the same number also both sides does not change the inequation. Okay. By adding also does not change, same number both sides, and by subtracting also does not change. Next, let us see one more next property. Multiplying or dividing the same positive number. So here is the positive number. Then also does not change the inequality. So let's take 4x plus 3 is greater than 1. This is the equation. This is an equation multiplying the same positive number. So 4x plus 3 greater than 1. Just multiply the same number both sides. 3 into 3. So 3 I multiplied both sides. Then also inequation does not change. So 4 3s are 12x, 3 3s are 9, and greater than 1 3 is 3. So 12x plus 9 is greater than 3 and 4x plus 3 is greater than 1. This both solutions should be never change and same greater than sign only we should ask this. And the last one, fourth property, is very important. Should not be confused in this property. So this is the very important. Multiplying or dividing the same negative number each side of an equation, then reverse the inequality. Okay, let me show you example here. For example, we know, okay, 4 is greater than 3, right? We know this. Now multiplying or dividing. Let us see first multiplying. Same negative number each side. So I am taking negative number is, let's take minus 2. So I want to multiply this minus 2 both sides. Now let's see what happened. So minus 2 and minus 2. So for this 4 and this also 4. So into 4 and here is 3 into 3. So same 4 greater than 3. So minus 2 just I multiplied both sides. Now we just check it. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. But minus 8 is not greater than minus 6. So minus 8 is always less than minus 6. That's right. Reverse the inequality. Okay. Let me show one more example. Now take one negative. So we know minus 3 is less than 6, right? Minus 3 is less than 6. This is a negative number. Now divide the same negative number both sides. Then divide minus 3 both sides. So minus 3 I divided both sides. Then minus 3 divided by minus 3 is 1. 6 by minus 3 is negative 2 because 3 ones are 3 twos are cancelled. So 1 and minus 2. Always 1 is greater than minus 2. That's why it automatically become reverse. So whenever you multiply or dividing the same negative number on each side of an equation, we need to reverse the inequality. Okay. If you take one inequation, now 2x plus 4 is greater than 6. If you want to multiply the negative number both sides, then 2x plus 4 greater than 6. In case if I want to multiply both sides with minus 2, immediately this greater than should become less than. That's why it will be changed like this. So minus 2 into 2x plus 4 less than minus 2 into 6. So this solution set and this solution set will be same. That's why whenever you multiply or divide the negatives number each side, same negative number, you must reverse the inequality. Immediately you should change this sign. So after multiplication, what are the inequality? Greater becomes less, less than become greater than. That you have to change. So this is the fourth property is important. So these are the four properties. So important properties. When you are doing the problems, you will use these properties of inequations. Now let us see take one inequation, how to solve the linear inequations with one example I will explain.